This girl is named Fame. She came in today. She is a big girl, really, for a calico. Usually they're so tiny and petite sometimes, but she's a big girl. She's got Tabby in with her calico. She was hiding behind her litter box. We weren't sure if she was going to be friendly or not, but she's fine. She's just fine. She is just fine. And she is going to snip tomorrow, too. We discovered we had some openings. So, she's going to go, and she's going to be ready. She seems really sweet. I haven't tried to pick her up. I've just petted her. I think she'd be fine with everybody. So, she's a pretty girl, needs a home. Her name is Fame. Say, Fame, I'm going to live forever. Say, please don't sing to me. Pretty girl. Pretty Fame. Nice girl. I'm going to have to see where you were picked up. Oh, you're a sweet and friendly girl. You shouldn't have to be here, should you? Say, no, I shouldn't. Okay. Pretty, pretty girl. I wish I could get a good picture, but you close your eyes every time the flash goes off. Okay. Eat up, because that's the last for tonight, because you're going to snip tomorrow. Pretty girl.